Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Vanguard Cash Plus account and if it offers check writing. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account designed as an alternative to a traditional savings account. It provides a competitive yield and can be used for various transactions. However, the Vanguard Cash Plus account does not offer check writing. It also does not come with a debit card or ATM access. The account is primarily designed for electronic transfers, such as ACH transfers, direct deposits, and mobile check deposits. You can also use the account's routing and account numbers to pay bills and link to payment apps. For traditional check writing, you would need to use a different type of Vanguard account that offers that service. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.